Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and fix your Snapchat My AI something went wrong. And before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and start our video. So if you got that kind of problem, so what you're gonna do, first of all, go ahead, go to Play Store and make sure if your app is updated or not. Go ahead, type in Snapchat right there in search bar, and as you can see, my Snapchat is already updated. I do not have to. If you find this update option instead of open, go ahead, update it, and that can solve one of your problem. If that's not the case, go ahead, open your Snapchat, go to message box, you will find your My AI. If there is a problem with that, what you can do, go to your profiles icon, tap on settings, and now find this option called clear cache over here. Tap on this continue, and you will clear cache from your Snapchat right there, and this will definitely help you out, make your Snapchat function a little well. And once you've done that, make sure to check your network connection as well. Even if it's a minor issue, sometimes it can be the one. And once you're done, refresh your app, reinstall once, and go ahead and use your Snapchat as you would like to. So yes guys, these are some of the solutions. Make sure to try all of them, and yeah, this will definitely solve your problem out. And thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much.